No, there's nothing in there.
Here is Ty. He's got a banana that's in this thing that lets him
First
eat
real
it.
food.
Yeah, that's not baby food. And boy, does he like it. Look at him go. He is just mowing. Hey, Ty, is that yummy? Wow, look at you go. You like that banana?
Let's do this. See if we can get some more of it down there in the end. Okay, there you go.
He likes that. Yummy. He made a really funny face. Yeah. Hi, big boy. I think you're going to need a bath.
We have a bath in the big tub.
Oh, yeah. You want your first bath in a big bathtub? You'll have to get that on video, too. And get all your toys out? What's that face? Are you done with the
He's
banana?
done with the banana.
Was that yummy?
Say thank you, Mama. That was yummy.
Say goodbye. Oh, now you're going to talk. Really? Yeah?
Hi, Mama.
You silly. Ty. Yeah, you're so silly. Oh, here, we'll get a long shot of you. There you are. Sitting with Grandma.
You like that banana?
Was that yummy? He was 8 months old yesterday. Say bye-bye, camera.
Say bye-bye. Wave.
Bye-bye.
You in your video. Wave.